Today I decided I wanted to keep it simple, so I'm just going to use a simple block of basswood. It's readily available off Amazon and other places. There's the 1 inch by 1 inch by 4 inches, which is the 10 centimeter by 2.5 centimeter blocks. And I'm just going to make one of these. It doesn't take many cuts, so we're going to try and keep it a nice short video, but it's a great one for beginners and novices, okay? So let's get into the carving. Just a reminder, guys, if you haven't already, press the subscribe button if you like my videos. There's a bell button as well that'll give you notifications. And please remember, if you like something or would like to change something, or you have an idea, something similar you'd like me to do, just make a comment below and I'll try and answer everyone that does make a comment, okay? Thank you. Okay, so we're just going to do our usual thing of marking roughly in the centre of the block. Mark it all the way around. And I'm just going to make a small mark all the way around the top. I'm going to round the edges off there. And I'm going to do the same then on the sides. I'll do the measurements for you now, guys, in a second. All I'm doing is taking off the edges. It's about 2 to 3 millimeters off the edges, and the same then off the top, okay? So don't forget, get a glove. Don't want to lose any fingers. And then just start taking these off. Just going in at a 45-degree angle, taking those edges off. Take the corners off those then. Make it easier on the old hands to handle. But any knife you can use, flex cut knife, readily available, would do this job really well. That's what I would have used when I originally made this guy a year or two ago. So there's the corners off. So I'm just going to make another little mark now down the side where his hairline is going to be. So let's see. This is the front. I'm going to get his eyes. Somewhere around here. So his hairline is going to come down around here. Top of the hair, I'm going to do a slight angle to make it interesting. And then straight along the side there. Straight across on the side here. Oops. There we go. And then meet that back up with that. Measurement wise, roughly 3/4 centimeter from the top and the side there, and the other side is about 12 mil. And then just drew the line from one up to the other. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is just go in that at a straight angle there and come up to it from the stop cut. So stop cut there. And then come up to it. Stop cut there. Come up to it. If you need to go a little bit deeper, take a second chunk out as well. I'm just going to cut up to that line as well on the actual corners to create a bit more of a definition of what the hair will be. You can do lots of different shape eyes. You could have them look a bit like that. Or you could have them like that. This one's used a scar for a mouth, whereas that one's got a scar underneath the mouth. That one as well has got the scar underneath the mouth. So let's get back to the basic one. Just going to draw a line. So one side is slightly higher than the other. Come down the centre. Start with that. Give you a few measurements on that. So if you're coming down from the top, down, the eyes in the centre there are at 8 centimetres from the bottom, or 2 centimetres from the top down. Then I've made a little line coming down here. It comes down about 5-6 millimetres as well, which is this centre line here. And I've drawn it like you would, like there. And then I'm just going to come round and back up. Now for this video, I'm just going to change something on the side on here for you, so you can see. I'm going to make this eye come lower. Slightly to the side. She looks slightly different to that one. Okay. Straight in. Follow the pencil line. And then just cut right up underneath that pencil line itself. Okay, I'm going again. And then go underneath it to meet that pencil line. Down the middle. You can go down the centre itself, the bottom of the eyes where they meet, okay? Or you can just go straight in from the side and make a bit of a V where the centre line is going to be for the eyes. Again, I'm just going to follow that line round slowly so I don't catch my thumb. It's underneath the little blade. That's it right the way around. And then I'm going to go inside that. And the same along the bottom. So the more you go in and deeper along this ridge on the top of the eyes, the more you'll see the contrast when you get some black painting underneath there as well. And the same for going around here as you go around there. I'm going to give him a mouth now. I'll draw the line. And there's the line, and all I'm going to do is do V cut there. Using the V tool, but you can use the knife. So the same V cut would be in that direction there, and in that direction there, and pull those little chips out. Again in there. There we go. If you want to give him a bit of an expression on the top of his eye, you can do that. Go in with the knife or the V tool, if you have one. And there we have a little face. Now same goes again if you have a V tool. It's quite easy to make a hairline with it. Just go in at an angle. And take that chip out. I think it's quite easy though with a knife. You can stagger the V's that you put in there, the little chip cuts, you take it out. Put some random angles in there. And there's his hairline. And the lower part, again to emphasize it, just take a little slice or two out of the top. Angle his hair down a little bit like that. Take off these pencil lines. You can take off the top. Watch your thumb. If the blade's not sharp, make sure your blade is sharp, and you'll get a clean cut then on top as well. And he's just about done. All you need to do then is paint him. It's a quick little whittle. Have a bit of fun, change it around. Put his eyes in different directions. And you've got something for your children to play with. Having a bit of fun. No sharp corners for them to hurt themselves on or anything like that. All good. Well, I'm not sure if you want to watch a video of me painting them, guys, but this is the outcome of them. Something simple and easy for you to do. But once you've done one, you'll find the next one is a lot quicker to do. Hope that was a bit of fun for you. Quick short little whittle. Again, thanks very much for watching. If you'd like to subscribe, leave a comment if you'd like to leave a comment. Thanks very much. Have a good day. Bye.